Starting with 3ds Max for modeling can be exciting. For interior design or exterior design, here's a step-by-step guide to get you going. 1. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Open 3ds Max and take some time to explore the user interface. Key sections include viewports, where you will see and manipulate your 3D model from different angles. Command panel. This is on the right side and includes tools like create, modify, etc. Main toolbar. Icons for selecting objects, transforming them, move, rotate, scale, and more. In 3ds Max, learning interior design involves mastering detailed modeling, lighting, and material application for furniture, decor, and room layouts. Exterior design focuses on creating building facades, landscapes, and environmental elements, with an emphasis on large-scale visualization and realistic lighting effects.